Hello and welcome back on this video where we continue our learning journey on record types. So in this video we'll be looking at how we can leverage record types to customize some page layouts and assign those layouts to the specific record types. So in the previous video, what we have looked at creating record types and editing the pick list values for specific record types of customers and individual record types. So let us continue our journey and look at how we can have specific page layouts for the record types that we have created. So as we've seen in our previous video, that the customer record type had all this same form. We basically had like same form. We only toyed with the list of values of the pick list field. So we have a long form that we need to fill for both customer and individual record types. So let's see how we can just skim down that account creation layout for customer and individuals. So our requirement is that we do not want a long list of forms and fill out any SLA information upfront as part of the account creation. So in order to do that, let me go ahead, click the gear icon and go to setup and go to the object manager, and the object that we are working on is the account. So let me select the account, go to the page layouts. So out of the box I have these 4 layouts, and now let me go ahead and create a new page layout that we want to use for customer and individual record types. In order to ensure that I have aligning name with the record type, let me go ahead and give a name to the page layout that is customer account layout, and we can select any of the existing page layouts as a starting point. So that gives us all the fields readily available on the layout, and then we can edit the layout. So let me select one of the existing templates. Now I have this new page layout for the customer with all the values already filled in from the template. So let me delete some fields because this is the customer record type. Let me just delete some of the fields that I don't want to capture as part of the customer record type. Please note that I am having a simplified form where I'm just collecting the owner, account name, parent account, and account site. I'll remove the complete additional information section here. This is where I'm forced to capture some information. Let me delete that so that my account creation is simplified. And after you're done with all the changes, go ahead and hit click save, hit quick save, or just save the record type. Now I have a brand new layout that I need to assign it to my record type. So go ahead and hit the page layout assignment, and as you can see in the screen that I have all the profiles and the record types. So all the peoples who are part of these profiles have a specific layout for the record type. As you can see in the record types, I have master record type that was out of the box, and in the previous video we have created 2 record types, the customer and the individual record type, and those record types are leveraging account sales layout page layout for their information. So we're going to change that. Now we have a new page layout. We're going to edit the assignments and select the customer record type. That's the center one. Let me select the customer record type and select the new page layout that we just created. We called it customer account layout. So let me select that and now go ahead and hit save, and let me go ahead and make sure that the page layouts are assigned correctly. Let me go back to my account records and then go ahead, and this time when I hit new, let me select the customer record type that we have a new page layout. Now, as you can see that my account creation has been simplified with the new layout. All I need to fill in this particular layout is just the account name and nothing else. So by providing one value, I should be able to save a new customer record. So let me call this customer EFG and then hit save. That's it, right? It has simplified my account creation process with just the name of it, right? Now when I go to the customer layout, I can see that I have customer ABC and EFG and the record type. So if I go back to creation of an account record using the individual record type, I still have the same old template that I used previously. So in order for me to assign a new layout, I'll have to repeat the same process. Go back to the object manager under setup and select the page layouts. Go ahead and create a new page layout. This time around I will be calling this as individual account layout, and use one of the existing templates to pre-populate this form, and I'll make the necessary changes. Let me go ahead and remove the information that I don't need. Make sure that you are tracking what fields you have taken out. As you can see, this is an individual record type. I don't want a lot of these attributes to be captured. So let me just make a save. The change that we have here is that we do have the SLAs still being captured as part of the individual record type. So go back to the page layout assignments, edit the page layout assignments, select the individual record type and select the new layout that we have created, individual account layout. Let me hit save, and now that the assignment is complete, let me go back to my accounts homepage, hit refresh to get the changes, and if I go ahead and create a new account and select the individual as record type, you can see that I have all the fields that I have selected for this page layout. So this is a new unique layout for individual record type, and if I scroll down, I still have those additional information as part of the form here. So when I'm creating a new account record of individual record type, I am capturing some additional field as against the customer record type. In short, what we have learned in this video is that we have created two account layouts, that is customer account layout and individual account layout, and we have edited the page layout assignments and provided specific record types for these layouts. In this way, we are leveraging a combination of page layouts and record types to create a same account record with different attributes being captured as part of the account creation. I hope the concept of record types and layouts is cleared. Please feel free to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel to learn more on Salesforce. Thank you.